In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app, then just go to someone's profile and let's see their recent followers. So all you have to do in order to see recent followers is just hit add followers at the top, and that will show you followers list for that particular user. And the key here that this list is always sorted from recent to oldest, so the most recent users will be always at the very top, and the more you scroll down, the more old users, old followers you will find. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.